Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. So guys, in this video we talk about Tesla and the actual price action here, where we dropped minus 8.7% yesterday. Yeah, I tell you why I'm happy to see that, because I know the market makers, or aka the short sellers, are scared here of a price level here which could cause a massive rip or even something like a small squeeze for Tesla. So I give you all the updated price levels here based on the chart. As you know guys, this is not financial advice. Yeah, yesterday guys, we had here a price drop of 8% or almost 9%. Now the actual price of Tesla is $217.80. Incredible volume yesterday here, 142 million volume. Yeah guys, I don't know what the news telling you here, why this price is, or why the price is dropping here. I have no idea, and I honestly also don't care. The only thing what we need to know is that we have here one significant price level, and this is the pink line here in my chart. Of course, there are several price levels here, but for now, based on the actual trading activities for Tesla, the only make it or break it price level in the chart which we have is $231.63. Why do I think that? Because usually what we see when the price is touching this area, we see a massive pump or even a massive rejection to the downside. So the market makers use this price level here, or know that this can cause here a lot of volatility in the market, and that is not a coincidence guys. I will of course show you here the actual price now. We have a gap up here, so the market makers the bulls use this price level here and try to gap up the price to overcome $231, and the bearish market makers do exactly the opposite way. They use gap downs here. That means price, I don't want to say manipulation, price action in the pre and after market to bring the price below this price level here, and then again the bull stepped in and gapped up the price one more time. You can see that here, this is really a ping pong here on that level. So a very, very significant level for Tesla. The same here again, gap up over this price. And guys, when we simulate now TradingView, then we can see what happened right now with the price. One more time, I press play and we see the price action. So, zack, 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 zack. Here we go. It's very slow, but it is what it is. I want to show you that guys. And where we are, come on, come on, come on. So, and there we are guys. So this is the actual price. Yeah, not a coincidence guys. They gapped up the price one more time, and why I am still super bullish on Tesla, because the market makers left us here a hidden signal in the chart, and the hidden signal is an open gap over $231. We have one new open gap now here in the chart at $232, and we have exactly support at our algo trend line here. So if you didn't see my previous videos guys, yeah, Tesla is since the all-time high, let me switch off the indicators for a second, is trending since the all-time high here, or trading since the all-time high in this trending descending trend channel pattern here. And for the first time since November 2021, we had here a breakout attempt with a sell-off reaction, the second breakout attempt. And usually when you want to confirm these kind of breakouts, you need a retest. And guess what we have right now guys? Right now we have a retest. Not yet successful, because if you want to see a successful retest, you need here a green candle body over this price level. But we have already here first breakout attempt, second breakout attempt. So if this is a trap by the market makers and from now on Tesla will crash guys, I'm very honest with you, then I'm absolutely surprised. I do not expect that. Of course, there is a potential that Tesla is coming down. The next price level here is $181, which is also something like a make it and break it price level. But if this is really just a fake out, what I honestly don't believe, otherwise I would not tell you that here in that video guys. I don't think that this is a fake out, but if this is a fake out guys, then it will be very ugly, because that would mean Tesla will come down here to $138 and lower. Yes, we have an open gap. Of course, we have more open gaps here in the chart. You can see a lot of open gaps to the upside here, to the downside, sorry, which could get filled in future. But for now, I don't know guys, based on this technical reaction here and this breakout here since 2021, so almost 3 years we trading in this pattern, this is in my opinion yeah, a lot of time for accumulation, and I think the bulls are waiting here between $100 and $181. This is the accumulation zone. Yeah, it would really surprise me. It's not impossible, but it would really surprise me, guys. So I think we will see a rip incoming here. Of course, if Tesla is not diluting the stock, but I have no information on that right now. That means that should be here the perfect dip. We had always support here at the EMA 200 day line. So after we had our recover process here and started to squeeze, you can see that the EMA 200 day line, the black line here in the chart, is supporting the price. I do not focus too much on EMA lines, to be honest. This is not part of my trading strategy, but the trend channel pattern, these are very, very effective and powerful trading strategies, guys. And if you're new to my channel here, of course, the main purpose is to educate you in trading, but I also try to predict here short squeezes in the market. And Tesla has a very, very good chance to see here a massive rip to the upside, because if this is now a retest, then I think the bulls will step in. And of course, $231 is not a price goal. We will see much higher prices here. $289 and $320 are the next price goals here to the upside. Yeah, when I say I try to predict short squeezes, guys, I upload here every week my so-called hot stocks. I show you that really quick. So when you see these videos here on my channel, these videos contain tickers with high squeeze potential, and all the tickers which I present here every week on Sunday, I predict them to squeeze in the very next few days. And I predict here almost every week short squeezes. So this week, one of our biggest squeezes was this one here. One of my hot stocks squeezed 270%. The ticker is still squeezing, so it is possible that we see here even a higher squeeze incoming, but you can see the release date here of my video was Sunday. Then we came back here in my green liquidity zone, which I mentioned here in my video, and then boom, we directly start to rip 270%. The week before we also had a squeeze of 236% and one other squeeze of 101%. So it is predictable, guys, to predict short squeezes, or it is possible to predict short squeezes in the market. And Tesla, in my opinion, is on a very good way to see a bullish reversal and a breakout with something like a squeeze here in future. If you also want to see the other short squeeze plays on my channel, guys, you can join in our trading community. We have more than 1,000 members already. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You get access here to all the member videos, to my hot stock videos, and in addition to my trading alerts, which are just available on Patreon. These are swing trade alerts where I show very simple screenshots with buy-in price levels, exit price levels, stop loss price levels, and so on. And very easy to understand, even if you are a beginner or advanced trader. This is something what I show in addition here to my so-called hot stocks, guys. If you want to join in, everybody is welcome, and the links to my memberships are here in the video description. Yeah, guys, this is what I expect for Tesla. So what I don't want to see, let's talk very quick about the bear case. What we don't want to see is that we come next week down below $213. There is one slight chance here that we see a fake out or shakeout to $200. But if we go below $200, guys, then at least $180 is the price level which will be retested. So if we come back in this trend channel pattern here, if we don't close above this trend channel pattern, that would be very bearish in my opinion. That it is possible that we have here something like a double top pattern, which the market makers use like a fake out. Then what you see usually is that something like a M gets created here. And that would mean that we really come down here, not only back to $181, even here to $131 and lower is possible in the future for Tesla. In the long term, I am bullish on Tesla, but in my opinion, this is here more or less very, very clear that we have a breakout attempt here and that we start to rip from this price level. This is, of course, not financial advice. I will keep you updated, guys, on Tesla. If you like this content here, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. And if you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, this is here everything based on TradingView. You can see the most significant price levels are $231, $181, and in my opinion, $320 is one of the next price goals for Tesla. So if you want to copy these price levels, I will disable here the indicators, guys. Then you can pause the video. If you want to get TradingView for yourself, I have a discount link here in the video description. If you use this link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium subscription. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, guys, but I recommend that program for everybody since I also use it for all my trades and all my videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. I hope this update here on Tesla was helpful. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe button. I wish you a nice Saturday, a nice weekend, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, bis zum nächsten Tesla-Video und bis bald. Take care. Bye bye, guys.